Welcome back. If you're new, please subscribe. It's November the 27th, 2019. It's Red Wiggler Wednesday. It's been 1 year and 17 weeks since we got started with the Red Wigglers. The Worm Factory 360. See if we got any worms left in this top tray. Should be migrating down here pretty good. Yeah, there's one. It's pretty dry up here, so there's another. Hoping they'll get on out of here so I can sift them castings. There we go, sunken in. You can tell where they've eaten that pumpkin. See what we got. I can feel the pumpkin. Ooh, I can feel a red wiggler worm ball too. So they are loving up on that pumpkin as well. And that's a good thing because I got a lot of pumpkins. Put a thing on Facebook to, if you want to get rid of your pumpkins after Halloween, let me know, and I got more that I don't know what to do with. But I know what I'm going to do. I'm feeding it to the worms. Alright, so I'll let them keep eating on that pumpkin this week. Got plenty left, it looks like. The bottom tray here, I couldn't get that last one off with one hand. Got some weight to it. It's looking great. Not that you can see it very great. A little dark. But believe me, it looks good. Actually, these castings look better than that tray we've had on top. Oh yeah, there's still some worms in there working on it. There's a couple hanging down. A few on the worm ladder. This is our holding bin. If you missed Sunday's video, we got a new system. And that's where the majority of these worms went. I did go ahead and put the pumpkin stems back in here. And there's a handful of worms still in here. Not a whole lot, but there are still some red wigglers in here, the ones mainly that were hanging around on these pumpkin stems. So we'll see how they do in there. And our horizontal migration bin, you can see we got some fuzzy wuzzies from that pumpkin. I'm going to go ahead and put it in the holding bin, there should be a lot of worms in here, and there are several. Let's see if I can scoop this out. Alright, yeah, we got some worms. So I'm going to put them in the holding bin. Give a little more worker worms in here. Leave a little bit of pumpkin. I'll go ahead and throw the rest of this in the Bag Minimus. I'm just going to leave this bedding in here. It's moist, should have the appeal to get some of these worms to migrate out if there's any left in here. Let's just take a quick peek in these castings that looked marvelous, if I do say so myself. Smell great. That good earthy smell. Yeah, there's still a few worms in here, but nothing like there was. I love that smell. Alright. I'm going to leave that alone, see if the rest of those will migrate over into that bedding. New to Red Wiggler Wednesdays is the Bag Minimus. I did pour the majority of the contents of the holding bin into here. And look at all them red wigglers. Oh, we got a shadow. We're going to fix that. A lot of them on top. A lot of them. They're just hanging out on top. Getting used to their new home, hopefully. Since we didn't feed anything Sunday, I have to get used to that light. I'll go ahead and put what's left of that pumpkin in here. Just kind of lightly cover it up. If you missed out on Sunday's video setting up the Bag Minimus, I'll put that video right here. Make sure you watch it. If you missed it, hit that thumbs up, leave me a comment. Until next time, have a great day.